Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix start menu randomly closes automatically when you click on it in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You just need to scroll down to the bottom. Right click on the Windows Explorer and select Restart. And now you can try clicking on the start menu and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. Press enter. Press enter. After finishing both commands, you just need to close tab here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type installed apps. Click on open it. You just need to search photos, PHOTOS. Comes up Photos app. Click on this 3-dot icon and select uninstall. Select uninstall again. After getting uninstall done, you just need to close tab here and go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store. Click on open it. In search, you just need to search Microsoft Photos. CROSOFT Photos PHOTOS. Select the Microsoft Photos over here. Select the install option and install it. After getting installed done, you just need to close tab here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, go to search menu and type Cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now check my video description for this Cmd command used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing both commands, you just need to close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.